Hi, my name is Mike Lee. I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing with DB Control. Just to give you a brief interview or introduction into DB Control, we've been around since 1990 and we've been building high power amplifiers, and we specialize in the high voltage power supplies as well. So one of the main things in the industry that is very important right now is size, weight, and power. So as you can see, some of the older devices here, we have amplifier TWTAs that are very large, high power. But in today's world, especially in airborne UAVs, where efficiency is very important, we need devices that are much smaller, lighter weight, very efficient as well. So you can have a longer time in the air, as well as taking up less fuel, especially on missions that are critical. Highly efficient amplifiers are very important. So we have newer amplifiers today that are much smaller than the old traditional larger TWTAs. So today what we have are TWTAs that are very efficient because of the fact that they've taken technology from actually the space side, where we have multiple collectors that make these very efficient. They've actually integrated into airborne and actually ground applications as well. So DB Control, we came out with a new device here. It's one of our devices. It's an X-band, and it's very high efficient compared to the old designs, which are that big. Now we're this small, and this device is about 200 watts, and it's replacing a 100-watt device in the same size as well. So, like I mentioned, the technology in TWT has increased in terms of technology. They've taken space designs, and now they're integrating them into ground and mobile, as well as airborne type applications as well. So yeah, as the world needs more and more efficiency, TWTs have gone that route as well, where the technology is coming down to meet that technology. We also are working on solid state devices as well, but right now solid state devices, we're looking at GaN devices as well, and they're starting to mature, and as they start to mature, we will start to use them as well. But typically right now, our MPMs and our TWTs are actually TWT based. They're tube based right now. But as GaN SSPAs or solid state devices start to mature, we will use those as well in our output stages.